Welcome to Consumer Reports. The best heavy-duty blender is probably one of the most versatile appliances you can have in your kitchen. Whether you're a professional chef or a home cook, this blender can handle anything you throw at it. From silky smoothies to creamy soups, it's designed to tackle tough ingredients and deliver consistent results every time. Get ready to witness the power and precision that will revolutionize your culinary creations. Number 5. Ninja BL610 Professional Blender with Total Crushing. This Ninja blender boasts 1000 watts of professional power. It can crush ice and break down any tough ingredient with ease. This is perfect for all your blending needs. The 72-ounce pitcher is perfect for making smoothies and frozen drinks for the whole family. It has a 64-ounce max liquid capacity. You can easily create large batches for everyone to enjoy. With total crushing technology, this blender delivers unbeatable power. The blades pulverize and crush through ice, whole fruits, and vegetables in seconds. It makes everything smooth and delicious. Blast ice into snow in seconds with this blender. You can blend your favorite ingredients into delicious resort-style frozen drinks. It's the perfect way to cool down on a hot day. A recipe guide is included to provide drink and dish-making inspiration. It offers ideas for a variety of recipes. You will find new and exciting ways to use it. The pitcher is BPA-free and dishwasher safe. Cleanup is just as simple and easy as using the blender. It's designed for convenience and ease of use. You'll receive a 1000-watt motor base, a professional blender, and a 72-ounce total crushing pitcher with a lid. This set has everything you need to get started. What we like. This blender boasts 1000 watts of professional power, perfect for crushing ice and blending tough ingredients. Its total crushing technology ensures everything is pulverized in seconds. If you're looking for a blender that can handle large batches and deliver consistently smooth results, this is the one for you. What people say. The blender is very powerful and blends everything with ease. It is easy to clean. The blender is very well made and sturdy. Number 4. Ninja BL660 Professional Blender, 1100 watts, gray. This blender has a powerful 1100 watt motor that crushes ice in seconds. It's perfect for making smoothies, frozen drinks, and sauces. Enjoy 3 manual speeds, pulse control, and a single serve function. You can personalize your blends for professional results. Blend large batches in the total crushing pitcher, which is ideal for parties and meal prep. It's perfect for serving the whole family. Easily mince, chop, grind, and blend ingredients for salsa, dressings, and more. It makes meal prep simple. Blend directly in the 16 ounces to-go cups, then add the spout lids. Take your smoothies or shakes with you anywhere. All removable parts are BPA-free and top-rack dishwasher safe. Cleanup is quick and easy after every use. Get inspired with the included recipe book. It's full of delicious and easy-to-make smoothies, frozen drinks, sauces, and meal ideas. What we like. With its powerful 1100-watt motor, this blender crushes ice and blends ingredients with ease. It offers versatile functions and includes to-go cups for convenience. If you like making smoothies and taking them with you, this blender's single-serve option is a game-changer. What people say. It blends fast and powerful with 3 speed options. It has a 1000-watt motor that really shows. It crushes ice in seconds and leaves smoothies with a super smooth, lump-free texture. The 72 ounces, 2.1 L, pitcher is ideal for preparing large batches, which is perfect for when I'm cooking for the whole family or having guests over. Plus, the total crushing technology in the blades is incredible. I've even made fraps, thick salsas, and green smoothies effortlessly. Number 3. Ninja NJ601 AMZ Blender. This Ninja blender is designed for a variety of tasks. It can handle everything from smoothies to salsas with ease. It's a great addition to any kitchen. The powerful 1000-watt motor provides professional performance. It ensures that the blades crush through ice, fruits, and vegetables quickly. This makes it easy to create your favorite recipes. The 72 ounces pitcher is perfect for making large batches. It has a 64 ounces max liquid capacity, so you can easily prepare drinks for the whole family. It's convenient and efficient. The blades pulverize and crush ingredients in seconds. It can turn ice into snow and blend whole fruits and vegetables effortlessly. This technology ensures smooth results every time. This blender is perfect for making a wide range of items. You can create delicious sauces, dips, and smoothies with it. It offers endless possibilities in the kitchen. It is BPA-free and dishwasher-safe. This makes cleanup a breeze. It's designed for convenience and ease of use. The package includes a 1000-watt motor base, a 72 ounces pitcher with pour spout, total crushing blades, and a 10-recipe inspiration guide. These accessories enhance its functionality and provide recipe ideas. What we like. This blender features a 1000-watt motor and total crushing technology, making it ideal for smoothies, sauces, and frozen drinks. The large 72 ounces pitcher is great for making large batches. If you enjoy hosting gatherings or have a big family, this blender will help you create delicious drinks and dishes effortlessly. What people say. The blender is very powerful and makes smoothies and shakes with ease. It is easy to clean. The blender is very well made and should last a long time. Number 2. Ninja Mega Kitchen System BL770. This powerful kitchen system boasts a 1500-watt motor, ready to tackle any task. It crushes ice and blends frozen fruits with ease, giving you professional results every time. The XL 72-ounce pitcher uses total crushing blades to turn ice into snow in seconds. It's perfect for large batches, making it ideal for entertaining or meal prepping. Included are two 16-ounce Nutri Ninja cups with to-go lids. These are perfect for making personalized shakes and smoothies that you can take with you. The system delivers consistent chopping, pureeing, and mixing. It includes a dedicated chopping blade and a dough blade, capable of mixing up to 2 pounds of dough in just 30 seconds. Choose from 4 functions: blend, mix, crush, and single serve. It offers the flexibility to create a wide variety of recipes and simplifies your meal prep. It features 4 unique blades optimized for every task. From total crushing blades for XL blending to pro extractor blades for on-the-go and chopping, it has everything you need. All parts are BPA-free and dishwasher-safe, making cleanup a breeze. This ensures that you can spend more time enjoying your creations and less time cleaning. What we like. This blender is a powerhouse with its 1500-watt motor and total crushing technology. It also includes an 8-cup food processor and on-the-go cups. If you are looking for a versatile kitchen system that can handle blending, chopping, and food processing, this is the perfect choice. What people say. From smoothies to dough and even homemade salsas, it handles everything I throw at it and fast. The motor is strong, and everything blends quickly without leaving big chunks. The blender is powerful, comes with different settings, and includes various cups and attachments for making smoothies, sauces, and other recipes. Number 1. Ninja BN701 Professional Plus Blender. This blender features a new, modern design and a more powerful motor. It's designed to make your blending experience even better than before. The Ninja Total Crushing Blades give you perfectly crushed ice. With 1400 peak watts of professional power, it handles ice and frozen ingredients with ease. With the touch of a button, you can create smoothies, frozen drinks, and even ice cream. The preset Auto IQ programs take the guesswork out of blending. Intelligent programs combine unique timed pulsing, blending, and pausing patterns. This technology does the work for you, ensuring perfect results every time. The 72 ounces total crushing pitcher is great for large batches. It's perfect for making drinks for the whole family or entertaining guests. Included is a 15-recipe inspiration guide. It helps you create delicious smoothies, frozen drinks, and more. Explore new flavors and enjoy your creations. The BPA-free pitcher and stacked blade assembly are easy to clean. They are also dishwasher safe on the top rack, making cleanup a breeze. What we like. This blender features a powerful motor and Auto IQ technology for effortless blending. With its 3 preset functions, it simplifies smoothie, frozen drink, and ice cream creation. If you value convenience and want a blender that takes the guesswork out of drink making, you should consider this. What people say. With 1400 peak watts, it has more than enough power to crush ice, blend frozen fruit, and make perfectly smooth smoothies in seconds. The Auto IQ programs, They take the guesswork out of blending and give consistent results every time. The 72-ounce pitcher is the perfect size for family smoothies or meal prep, and it pours without spilling. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.